What's going on, YouTube? Today, I want to show you how I built a web application within only 1 week and was able to launch it. Yes, was able to launch a web application within 1 week. I want to go over what the tools I used, how I did it, and if you want to learn more on how I did this and the workflow that I used to build this web application within only 1 week, then comment below with the word guide and I will give you access to a PDF of what the workflow that I've used to build this web application all within 1 week. I'm going to be putting together a series how to talk to the AI, what to do, what not to do. It's going to teach you all the tools that you need so that way you can build an application successfully and not waste time and your dollars. You're going to learn more in depth about the back end of Lovable and how the AI works and processes, and some of the tools and tricks that I've used to make Lovable work better for me to build these web applications and more effectively and efficiently. Like I said before in my previous video, AI will definitely hallucinate. It will mess up your code. It will cause you a lot of debugging. But if you follow my guide and if you get to the guide below, this will give you a good start on how to build a web application quickly and efficiently and go from zero to launch and only within 1 week. If you want to learn more about how I do these workflows, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification button, and let's go. So here is the software that I created with only 1 week. Yes, only 1 week using Lovable. This software comes packed with a lot of features for small businesses so that way they can manage their business more effectively. It comes with gas mileage tracking, receipt scanning, real-time dashboards to let them know what categories of their business they're spending and making money from. Let's go ahead and sign in. So I created a demo account. So within this demo account, you can see that it has all the financial data for the income of that business, how much is spent in that business. This is a period of all time. It has the net income of that business and how many transactions of that business as well. So it comes with the AI accounting system. So that way you can ask the AI anything you want about your business. It comes with transactions. You can see and input all your transactions, expenses, income, and then if you had a transfer out for like owner draw, you can do that as well. So you can create custom categories by color coding them so that way you can understand your business more better in a color. So you can manage your customers and your vendors. So it even has a project management page so that way businesses can manage their different projects and see how much budget they're spending on projects and to see how much profit they're making from each particular project. You can create orders, manage your orders, add in invoices, and then here is where you can plug in your different payment providers. So right now you have PayPal, Stripe, Square, Venmo, Cash App. It even has a calendar view where it shows you how much money you're spending each day and how much money you brought in for that day. Even has the ability to tie into the projects. So as you can see here on the June 9th, there's a project starting on June 9th, so that way it helps you keep track of your projects. So you have ability to create bookings. So bookings, you can create different booking types. So video calls, web development consulting, whatever your business is, a business want to create, they can go ahead and create that. So you can see there's one created for a 30-minute video call. There's one created for a web development consultation for 60 minutes. It even has the ability to create video meetings. You can create a meeting with anybody and send a link to them so that way you guys can hop on a video call quickly. It even has mileage tracking. You can start a mileage tracking trip and then start adding up the total miles that you track, and then that's good for tax purposes for businesses. So here's the NFC digital business card. It gives you the ability to buy a NFC digital business card so that way it hosts a public profile for your customers or your new leads that you come in contact with. So that way you can share your profile and capture their information. And here's the profile. As you can see, this is the public profile from that digital business card. So if they was to scan the QR code or tap for NFC, it will allow them to go to a custom page here. And you can create this page however you want and design this page however you want. And it has the booking meetings that you created so that way customers or leads or new clients can go and request a video call for you, or they want to do consultation. In this case, they can go ahead and do that, request that booking. And of course, it has reports, robust reporting, so that way you can track how your business is performing. So right now, I'm just gonna talk to the AI to get it to do something that I want it to do, which is create a lead page for your leads, so that way users have the ability to create public available forms to capture new leads for their business or their small business, or they have the ability to create files for download. If you comment below, guide, this is the exact page that you will be going to, and I'm going to send you the link for this download for this PDF guide of how I build web applications. So it's coming full circle around. So I'm going to build this page, and if you comment guide below, I'm going to host this PDF guide of how I build these workflows, so that way you can get the insight of how to build web applications quickly and efficiently. So I'm gonna show you the process I use now. So let's just go ahead and create that page that you will be getting. Within the leads page, create a section to allow users to create and host publicly available forms and documents such as a PDF, so that way leads can be captured when they download that file or when they fill out that form. So I just had to fix that little error from speech to text, which is fine. So let's break down how I did this right now. I implemented a coding principle so that way the AI will know what coding principle that it needs to follow. And then I described the intent. The intent is key because what you describe as your intent, the AI will know what to build, and it will take the coding principle that you supplied before, and then it will allow it to know what to create and how to create it. So let's see what is the result. Oh, and another thing, make sure you hit chat. If you're using Lovable, make sure you hit the chat function that gives it the AI time to think and analyze your code base and then know what it needs to do so that way it can write the code more efficiently without causing errors. Now that I'm inside the account and I want to see what the AI will be building, I can go ahead and take a look. So this is the plan that it wants to implement. I've read the plan. It sounds like a good idea. I'm going to go ahead and say implement plan. So it looks like it's going to create a few tables. And so I want to look and see the tables that it's going to create and the policy that it's going to implement for that leads generation forms. So I'm going to go ahead and hit apply changes. Now it's going to go ahead and create those tables, SQL tables, in the backend in Superbase to implement the changes that I just requested. So now it's going to start implementing and working on the actual front end code, so that way it can properly query the backend. All right, the application went ahead and reloaded. It has finished now, but there is a build error. So let's check out the page real quick just to see what's been implemented. So if I go to create first lead, I can go ahead and host a file. And then it also has a form section where you can create public forms if you want to, if businesses want to create a form to have their customers fill out. So it went ahead and implemented the changes that I requested by creating a lead magnet, and also creating a form. All right, so now we got a few errors in the code. I'm going to make another video series of how to effectively fix these error codes without spending too many of your tokens. So stay tuned for the next video. I'm going to show you how to fix these errors quickly and more efficiently. And then, like I said, comment below, guide if you want to learn more about how to program using no-code tools such as Lovable, and how to build effectively web applications quickly and efficiently. So like and subscribe, hit the notification bell to get more information on this, so that way you can get more videos. And yeah, and stay tuned for next videos. Peace.